Hi guys, today me and Cupcake we play tag in different forms, but please subscribe because this video took me some hours to edit, so it will be really appreciated if you subscribed. Anyways, enjoy the video. Hi guys, we just made a shared channel, which means we're gonna make a long form video to it. Yay! So we're gonna put a timer on 4 minutes. And the one that gets the most tags in that time has to edit all the videos for the rest of the week on this channel. And I do not want to edit.
What?
Yeah. Okay, so.
Oh gosh dang, I gotta win then.
Okay, so I'll start the timer and let's go. Okay, guys, the timer has officially started, which means he can start tagging me. And I can start. Oh my god, guys!
Editor Mango.
Hey guys, my recording stopped. No, it said 0-0 actually. 0-0. I'm so confused.
What do you mean 0-0? Oh yeah.
Oh!
Yes!
No slide juke. Okay. 0-1 to him. Not for long though. Oh my god.
Extra. No!
1-1.
Egg yolk, egg yolk, egg yolk. No, I jumped up. Yeah.
2-1, I think, to Cupcake. He's in the lead right now. Whoa! Whoa! My controller just bugged out so hard. Guys, ironic that it's the same controller that I dropped just a couple minutes ago. It's absolutely juked.
Oh my god, I just went dying. What is going on? I'm not doing good.
What does it say? 2-2, I think? Right?
Yeah.
Let's say 2-2, I guess.
Actually 3-2, but 3-3.
Oh, guys, the timer went.
What?
It says 3-3 on the timer end, guys. Wait.
Wait, I have a new. Okay, so it's tie. So we'll set the timer on 4 minutes. Whoever is tagged when it goes off loses. It's the final point. Okay? Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, when do you start the timer?
This is sudden death.
Have you started the timer yet?
Yep. Started
Oh my god, you didn't even tell me.
Actually, I did.
Fish.
get this guy out of here, bro.
Boom. I go up here.
I'm gonna cook you, bro.
Oh my god, you're so free.
That's called skill.
I don't think so. I think it's called luck. And that's called non-skill.
By the way, I'm gonna clip from so much of all the jokes I did too.
You're gonna clip that. You're clipping that. Oh, I accidentally.
Yeah, I'm clipping that
You're
out.
clipping that. No, you're not.
I'm kidding, guys. I'm not clipping out anything.
I'm tired.
Oh my god. Didn't know tag was.
So cheating.
So if it like comes and tag me in the last seconds, I'm actually gonna be so mad, bro.
Got him?
1 minute, 2 minutes left, guys.
No, this is.
By the way, this might be a little bit fast up.
Ouch. I'm stuck.
What?
You're kidding.
That's one for the team, guys. Guys, don't
not
tell
for the team,
him
that's
that
for
I
the
got the
team.
super mod menu yesterday. I'm just
Yeah,
kidding.
well,
I don't
tell
even
him
have a
that he's
PC.
Yeah, what? Oh my god, my controller just. Oh my controller! Fuck! Ah, I just punched my wall super hard. Got him. I don't feel my finger anymore.
There's like 20 seconds left, by the way.
There is. True, you get tagged in time. No! I can't lose.
Actually, you can, bro.
No!
Yes. Come on, guys. Branching skills. Why did I do that? Why did I do that? Why did I do that?
He's getting it. He's gonna win.
Why did I do that, guys? Why did I do that? Why did I do that? Why did I do that, guys?
Gosh, damn it!
Yes! Timer went! The timer went! The timer went! The timer went!
This is so.
I won! Guys! I won! I won it, guys! Guys, I won! Oh my god, guys! I won it.
sacrificed a finger for this.
Guys, he lost. I absolutely dominated. I'm so tired. But
I
by the
lost
way,
a finger for this.
just subscribe.